Hi, I'm Dr. Trish Murray, and I would like to introduce you to a new concept we are rolling out called Discover Health. Discover Health is a new business that we are starting with the mission to empower you to optimize your own health through education, community, and support. You see, over the last 4 or 5 years, I have been practicing a type of medicine called functional medicine. Functional medicine is getting at the root cause of people's chronic conditions, such as, why do you have insomnia? Why do you have high blood pressure? Why do you have diabetes? Why do you have pre-diabetes? Why do you have an autoimmune condition? Just as important, why do you have something like irritable bowel syndrome? Many people that suffer with these chronic conditions have them not because of just your genetics, but because of also lifestyle and environment. And so functional medicine tries to get at the root cause of your individual situation by looking back at your life with you and creating a timeline and identifying the triggers, the mediators, and what are called antecedents as to why you have a chronic condition. And then helping you understand how you could change your lifestyle and your environment to treat that condition and reverse autoimmune disease, reverse diabetes, get a full night's sleep, and feel rested and full of energy and get rid of that brain fog that you've been suffering with. So how are we going to do this? Well, first of all, I have seen over the last 4 or 5 years, time and time again, people improve from all of these conditions that I've just listed by working with them from a functional medicine approach. The problem is that I've been trying to fit this model into the traditional American medical insurance model, and it feels like I'm trying to fit a square peg into a round hole, and it's not working. So what I've done is decided to create a new company called Discover Health LLC. And again, the purpose and mission of this company is to optimize education, community, and support, which is health care, true health care, not just sick care. You see, the medical insurance model was created for when we get acutely ill and we need a surgery or a prescription medicine or things like that. And the medical model, insurance model, is not meant to give education and maintenance to maintain optimal health. So what we're doing is rolling out a new way of doing things. This will involve, first of all, and the first thing we're rolling out to people is an annual membership. With your annual membership, you will get 6 times per year where the community has the opportunity to come together for education, community, and support. I and other members of the community that are in the health field and other fields that you might be interested in will give talks and demonstrations and interactions. You will also be able to interact with other people that are going through similar things like you, which is an amazing benefit to help you feel better and to feel part of a group and not so isolated with your condition. Also, with this membership, you will have access to the members-only section of my website. And in that section of my website, there will be many, many things for you to go to for assistance and for education and support. First of all, there will be educational material. I will be giving demonstrations, and any talk I give will be recorded for you to just click a link and listen to. Talks on sinus health, autoimmune disease, cardiovascular health, and so on. Another thing will be a book suggestion posting site that I will post at, but also community members can share books or other podcasts or internet-based things that they feel are good examples of how to help others learn about how to change your lifestyle. There will also be a recipe post that community members can post to. I also will be creating a demonstration series called Dr. Trish's Dishes. And in this series, I will demonstrate how to make things like prebiotics and probiotics and sauerkraut and fermented foods and so on and so on. One other entity I haven't mentioned is there will be a chat room, a place where you can go and ask questions or share communication with other members of the community. And all of this is available now. So if you go to my website at tmurraywellness.com or call my office at 447-3112, my staff would be happy to answer any of your questions and sign you up to be part of our new community. If you are saying to yourself, initially I may need more services than just to be a member, we are also rolling out packages of services that would involve a consult with me, lab work, supplements, and a curriculum. I have created an acronym called DENT, D-E-N-T, and I'm calling it How to Put a Dent in Your Chronic Disease Through Diet, Exercise, Nutrition, and Treatment. So the packages would also involve this curriculum so that you would come to classes and learn how to put a dent in your chronic disease. So don't wait. Go to my website, tmurraywellness.com, read about these services, or call my office at 447-3112 to set up your 1-hour consult with me for the low cost of $95. And you and I can determine what services you really need to empower you to optimize your own